Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the document details on the vectoring application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the My Work section and open a project. Tap to the paper icon next to the window icon on the right side of the screen. Here you can adjust the colors, speakers, blend mode, unit and units, and the size of the document. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.